Lonnie with Crafty Traveler. In this video, we'll take you to the Grand Canyon and then for a little chocolate after the tour. We're entering the Grand Canyon, the south entrance. Our first stop will be at the Market Plaza and Village. Found it very crowded, and our truck wouldn't even go up into the village because it's over 20 feet long. We just did a drive-by, didn't get to stop. The parking lot was very full. No parking places could be found. Too crowded. Now we're headed into the visitor center. This is the upper lot, which is mostly for hikers and RVers. We will go to the lower lot. sent out our parking fairy to find a parking place and found a great parking place very close to the entrance. Ernie was able to back in and claim the spot. The Canyon Rim Trail is right along the rim of the canyon. It's a paved trail, and dogs are allowed to go on the trail, as well as the Mather Point Amphitheater. If you look closely, you can see a little bit of the Colorado River way below. That's Mather Point Overlook. And there's I am at the end of the overlook with Snickers. Just around the corner from the campground is the Grand Canyon Chocolate Store with many delicious treats. I hope you enjoyed the little scenes from the Grand Canyon. There's a lot of videos on the Grand Canyon, and we just did the rim walk with the dog, so no big deal. And the candy store was wonderful. Of course, we bought some chocolate, and they did have some no sugar for Ernie. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. And stay crafty when visiting the Grand Canyon and the Grand Canyon Candy Store.